Okay, first things first, let's talk about the software that we're going to use to talk about sound design and particularly synthesis. I'm going to use two main synthesizers. One of them in Reason here, and that would be the Reason Subtractor, and the other one in Ableton, which is the Ableton operator, Ableton Live operator. The reason that I'm going to jump between these two programs, and I'll talk more about this in a minute, but the main reason is because what I'm really trying to do in this class is not teach you how to use Reason's subtractor or how to use Ableton Live's operator. What I'm trying to teach you to do is understand synthesis. My goal is that you'll be able to walk up to any synthesizer anywhere, whether it be a software plugin or a hardware synthesizer, or like a big huge analog synth from somewhere. You'll be able to walk up to any of those and be able to like dial in the sounds that you want. That's the goal. So I think with these two synthesizer soft synths, if you will, I will be able to kind of show you what to look for in any kind of synthesizer, right? So you'll be able to find the different sections, figure out how to make some sounds on it right away. Once you get through this class, you'll be able to see that. So we'll be bouncing back and forth between Reason and Ableton. But remember, the goal of this class is not to teach you how to use Reason or Ableton Live. The goal is to teach you how to use synthesizer and to find your way around any kind of synthesizer. So that's the main software we're going to be using. If you want to use something else, you're totally fine. If you don't have Reason or Ableton Live, that's fine. If you have any other kind of soft synth or hardware synth, actually, at your disposal, you still should be able to get a lot out of this class. These two that I'm using are just because they're handy. I really like Subtractor because the layout is really nice for teaching a certain kind of synthesis, which we'll talk about in a second. And operator as well. It kind of shows how the sounds are coming together in just the right way. So if you want to use something else, you actually can in this class. You don't have to follow click by click what I do. The main thing we're going after here is concepts, not where to click to make these different sounds. So I think with any software, you'll be able to get a lot out of this class. But I'm going to focus on Reason and Ableton Live. You're welcome to use whatever you want, and you'll still be able to get a lot out of it.